So Tinder's getting sued apparently. By the way, I'm trying the same mic setup again. That's why I'm holding it. If the audio's shit, let me know and I'll upgrade, get some better equipment. But so far, it seems all right. Anyway, so yeah, apparently Tinder's getting sued. I thought something was up when they updated their policy last month, yeah, Jan 31st. When they updated it, I did a video on this. I was going through and I highlighted all the things that were new, and it was mainly revolved around limitation of liability, pretty much just letting you know like what to expect, all about safety, all about acceptance, eligibility, and it looked like they were trying to pass on the liability back to the user and get them to agree with it. So it kind of looked like it was in response to something. Now, around the same time, I know Meta, TikTok, Snapchat, X, they all got called into a Senate hearing, I think it's called. I don't know what it's called. They got called into some Senate thing in the US, and they were just getting grilled about how there were child predators on these platforms and how they were getting away with it and stuff. And so around that time, this came out, and then in my last video, I was saying I can't help but think this is in response to something. And to sum it up, the point I was getting at was we OnlyFans managers have nothing to worry about. Now, this kind of solidifies that 6 dating app users have filed a class action lawsuit arguing that Match Group's apps violate consumer protection laws. Goes through their addictive, game-like features which lock users into perpetual pay-to-play loop, blah, blah, blah. Yeah, it's very game-like. The apps use powerful technologies and hidden algorithms to... So pretty much there's 6 brokies that got heartbroken and now they're cracking the shits and they want to sue Tinder and other dating apps, saying that it's gamified and it's addictive and it's ruined our lives, blah, blah, blah. But anyway, that's beside the point. The main point I want to make was we OnlyFans managers have nothing to worry about, because when new policies get updated, we all freak out, because if you're doing this or if you've been marketing OnlyFans using dating apps or not, well, it is like the holy grail of OnlyFans traffic. And so when there's a new policy update, we get scared that our method might break. First of all, the method I use does not break. I know how scammy that sounds. I pretty much just wanted to use a method that seems the most genuine, has the less holes in it, and less chance of getting broken due to an update or a patch. That's why we use iPhones and not App Cloner or what's the other one, Crane or web browser or any of that stuff. So anyway, so first of all, we don't have to worry about that, but some people are worried about it. And so every time there is a policy update, they freak out. Oh no, what's different? Oh no, we're going to have to verify it, because I know a lot of people are worried about the app making all users have to verify in order to use the app. I have an argument as to why I don't think they'll do that. I can understand why some people are scared of that. And so when there's a new update, we all freak out. The only difference I think I've noticed since the latest policy update is that a couple of our accounts have been asked to verify at what seems like random times. So normally, an account will get asked to verify because you've done something wrong. You haven't warmed up the accounts, or you've done too many matches in a row, or you've been reported because you don't look genuine. But the 2 times that this has happened, it looks like it's been random. On Tinder, I'm talking about Tinder, I think. But I don't know, that's not enough to work on. Pretty much everything is the same. Do not worry about it. I just want to make a little video to say that my suspicions were right. When they updated their policy, it was likely because they're strapping up, getting ready for a class action lawsuit for 6 brokies who got their heart broken, and now they're trying to sue all these apps. So that's it. If you like my video, please go smash the like button, smash the subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next one.